Welcome. Are you looking for a reliable solution to your business needs, which can help you achieve clarity and insight into your repairs and maintenance service? Van Stock Pro is your solution. With our powerful CRM, you can save thousands of customer records that can be searched quickly, allowing you to view and record customer interactions effortlessly. You have the ability to search for vehicle locations within the customer's radius, making booking duties easier. You can update or book new duty slots directly from the customer screen. Once you locate the nearest vehicle, you can confidently add the job to their diary while talking to your customer. You can quickly book duties onto the system, which will be sent automatically to the operative on the road. You can create and manage multiple warehouses to distribute parts and products to your vehicles anywhere in the world, saving you time and money. You can maintain optimal stock levels with confidence, track the life cycle of products and parts, and make warehouse demand changes quickly. You can quickly arrange warehouse purchase orders and book inventory accurately. You can track vehicle and warehouse productivity stats. We give you the ability to manage dispatching and returns throughout your business with the same level of detail as you manage purchasing. Our system tracks and records all returns into and out of the business, including from vehicles. You can view duty tracking data quickly, with options to search dates and times. Our system uses the latest tracking technology to give you real-time notifications and data. All data can be exported at a click of a button in many formats, including PDF and Excel. Contact us today to find out more and take your business to the next level.